Here I am at the store with Goldie, my 76 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. I noticed something this morning that I'm pretty sure would upset Mr. James May, who I know likes Cadillacs. And he had a Cadillac a lot like this. He had a 75 Coupe DeVille in one program that was a delicious burgundy. This is a gold sedan DeVille that's 76. But have a close look at some of the trim pieces over here. Here you go. Here's the trim on the passenger side. Very nice. Hey, thanks. Looks good, huh? Yeah, it's all right. And then I had this morning. Oh, there you go. You think you'd look at the car closer? Taking me 2 weeks to notice. Okay, be prepared to be angry. Have a look at what happened here. Well, I guess the trim came off at some point, and you know, you couldn't even use a chrome-headed screw there. Come on. All right, I know for a fact Mr. May would not approve. I am disappointed that whoever was responsible for this did not simply take the detached piece to a body man and have them reattach it properly. And there you go. And I know Mr. May will be outraged at a amateur botched repair job. Ugh. Well, at least it's way down at the bottom of the car where you hardly notice. But I think maybe I'll swap those screws out for some like chrome-headed screws or something. I don't know. Anyway, other than that, I am loving the car. Holy smokes, guy just gave me a compliment. I told my wife this morning, she's been in Texas, she hasn't seen the car yet. Told her it gets a little shinier every day, which it does. I keep polishing it. I did the chrome this morning. Hot dog. Yeah, I did the chrome this morning. That's when I found the bodged repair. Oh well.